how to fix FC26 you have lost your online connection error on PS5 or PS4. Now first you will need to go into your settings. Once you open up settings, select network. Then again we will navigate to settings and then set up internet connection. Here you will need to find your network and press the options button on your controller here. And then first you will change Wi-Fi frequency bands to 5 GHz only. And after you have done this, you will go into advanced settings, go and choose DNS settings, change this to manual, and you want to type 1.1.1.1 for the primary DNS, and for the secondary DNS it's going to be 1.0.0.1. Afterwards you want to click on OK here. It's going to connect you to the internet. And if that doesn't work for some reason, we can do one more thing, which is going to be going back to the home screen, just finding our game, and again we will press the options button here. Then you want to go into restore license. Of course you will do this for FC26, and this should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.